Greetings and salutations. I'm Madison, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour through my newly refurbished bedroom. Directly across from my bedroom door, I have this Thomas Kinkade calendar. Thomas Kinkade is one of my favorite contemporary painters, and I always have one of his calendars hanging in my bedroom. Directly behind me are the doors to my closet, which is still a work in progress, and I will not be sharing the inside of my closet in this video. Continuing left in my bedroom, I have my keyboard in the corner, ready for whenever I have the inspiration to compose. Next to my keyboard, I have my new desk and my new desk chair. Both of these pieces I purchased because they very much reminded me of authentic antiques. Unfortunately, I could not get any original pieces from the 1930s and 40s, so I did my research, took heavy inspiration from those decades to decorate this room, and tried to find as many pieces that were newly made but as close to the style that I like as possible. Above my desk I have a vintage mirror sconce set, and then down below on my desktop I have several vintage pieces, a few vintage vases, and a collection of antique books.
All around, they were the talk of the town. And when the band was playing, that hesitation you could hear her say. That some sensation and the dance to stay till the break of the day, while they were dancing around, there, big dancing around. Oh, how he'd hold her, head on his shoulder. Oh, how he'd tease and hit him with his knees. He'd drop her to a corner and
continuing even further left into my bedroom, we have my new bed. I am so happy with my new bed. It fits perfectly with the rest of my decor, and it is exactly what I wanted. In doing my research of 30s and 40s bedrooms, I noticed that quite a few of them were very girly, and that was something I did not want. I wanted an elegant bedroom, but I did not want something that was very princessy or over-the-top girly. I wanted something that was sophisticated, elegant, but also studious and practical. After doing a little bit of digging, I finally found several examples of bedrooms featuring wrought iron beds, so that is the direction I decided to go with when picking out my own bed for my bedroom. Overall, I am very pleased with it. It is a very well-made bed, and it fits perfectly with the rest of my decor. Above my bed, I have a 1940s chalkware plate set, and on my bed I have a new bedspread that is a beautiful crisp white and features a long flowing train around the rim. Also on my bed I have my collection of stuffed animals, and beneath them I have an accent blanket also featuring pink roses.
we'll make the treatment fine. When you miss this Barney, eat much Barney from Killarney's side. I take care of you. I make my...
Next to my bed I have this bookshelf. At the top I have two containers storing all of my vintage hats. Beneath my hats I have a shelf displaying several of my favorite childhood trinkets and mementos. Beneath that shelf I have my entire Nancy Drew collection. I have been collecting Nancy Drew books and memorabilia for quite a long time now. It is one of my favorite hobbies, and Nancy Drew books are one of my favorite books to read. Beneath my Nancy Drew collection, I have a shelf that is not quite completed yet. I'm not entirely happy with the setup thus far. I will be tinkering and moving things around, I'm sure, over the next few months. Beneath this shelf, I have all of my records. My record collection is very precious to me, and I am grateful to have enough space to hold all of my 100+ records with a little bit of room to spare. Finally, I have the rest of my books, which most of them are not very pretty to look at, so I decided to tuck them away down here at the bottom of my bookshelf. Next to my bookshelf, I have this cherry wood dresser. It is very helpful and useful in regards to storage, because not only does it have quite a few drawers, I also can display several of my perfumes and other vintage trinkets on the top as well. That you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on several different social media platforms, including Instagram, Tumblr, and Facebook. If you would like to support me and this channel, you can visit my Ko-fi page to give a donation. Thank you so much for watching.
And when the band was playing, that hesitation you could hear her saying, that some sensation and the people would say,